Lesson 18, Parallel Parking. In today's lesson, you will learn a technique for a successful parallel park manoeuvre. You'll use the full lock left, full lock right method. There's 4 steps to this manoeuvre. First, you'll pull up so you're slightly in front of the target car. Then you'll reverse so you're slightly behind it. Then steer full lock left to get a 45-degree angle. Then full lock right to bring the car in close to the curb. So why do we need to learn how to parallel park? Often there isn't enough space to drive forward into a gap in the road, so you need to learn how to reverse into it. Start by choosing a safe, legal and convenient place, and check for parking restrictions in the street. The gap you're reversing into should be at least 1.5 times the length of the car that you're driving. And you must perform the manoeuvre within 2 car lengths on your test. How to do a parallel park. When it's safe, pull up alongside the target car, about 1/2 to 1 metre away from it. Drive a little bit past it. The reference point for this is when your door mirror lines up with the end of the target car. Secure the car and select reverse gear immediately. This will tell people behind what you're doing. Check all around, starting from your right blind spot. Look where you're going and reverse in a straight line. Keep checking around. Pause when it's time to start steering. This is when the end of the target car is in line with your rear passenger door handle. Before you steer, you must check all around, including your right blind spot. If it's safe, steer full lock to the left. It's important to check your right blind spot before steering, because as you steer, the front of your car will move out into the road. Keep your left lock on until you have a 45-degree angle. The reference point for this is when the back of your passenger door handle is in line with the edge of the curb. Now steer full lock to the right as you're moving slowly back towards the curb. When the car is parallel to the curb, straighten your wheels. Throughout this manoeuvre, it's important to move the car very slowly. Pause or stop before steering to have a good look around. If any other road users are approaching, allow them to pass before continuing. As you are reversing, they have priority. If it looks like they're going to let you carry on with the manoeuvre, it's best to continue. But keep a close eye on them. They may start to go when you're halfway in. Remember, you're aiming to keep a safety bubble around your car at all times while you're reversing. You need to complete this parallel park so that you're parallel to the curb and you're about 15 to 20 centimetres away from the curb. That's about a tyre's width away. I've suggested on this video that you start steering when your rear passenger door handle is in line with the end of the target car. You can start to steer earlier when your rear wheels are in line with the end of the car. But my reference point gives you a little more space and room to adjust the position for an accurate finish on your driving test.